When a patient comes to hospital, the environment is so chaotic, it's so stressful, you have people running around. So going from your home into somewhere unfamiliar can be really scary. And I think just hearing that little bit of Welsh or having someone speak Welsh to you, you kind of feel like home has come to hospital. You can listen to people speaking Welsh and it's like being at home where, your family would speak Welsh to you and it would just make you feel more at ease, I think.
So safe and effective care and communication go hand in hand. So making sure that we are communicating the patient's language choice is really important in terms of their safety as well as their satisfaction.
Mae gen I enghraifft lle oedd yna ddynas hŷn hefo ni fel claf a roedd wedi bod yn ofnadwy o ddistaw. Neb yn gallu cyfathrebu efo hi, ddim yn cael dimlad o wybodaeth o'r wrthi hi. A dyma nhw'n gofyn so ni'n siarad Cymraeg. A wrth i bod o'n fy mod i lle a gofyn fi i trio siarad efo hi a gweld sy'n ni'n cael rhyw fath o wybodaeth allan o hynny. A mi nath o weithio, mi nath i ddechrau siarad efo ni. Ac oedd un o'r doctoriad yn hollol sioct achos oedd nhw wedi rhoi chlod i'r llais i o blaen. Ond nath i ddechrau siarad a sôn am ei symptoma a be oedd yn bod a falle. So mae hynna'n enghraifft gwych o sut oedd y Gymraeg wedi bod yn wrthiol fan'na rili iddi hi achos oedden ni'n cael gwybodaeth allan ohoni a neud siŵr bod hi yn iawn. Ac hefyd o'n i'n gallu cyfathrebu efo'r claf be oedd y doctor yn dweud wrthi hi a be oedd hi yn dweud yn ôl wrth y doctor de. So oedd hynna'n wych.
So the impact of speaking Welsh on the patients I've cared for is that once they notice that you're able to speak Welsh, they seem to kind of relax a bit more and they're more comfortable. They're more likely to say whether they're frightened or whether they don't understand something. It's like somebody could say to me, how are you feeling today? And if my first language is English, you do open up. And it's the same if you speak Welsh and your first language is Welsh, you're more likely to open up and relax a lot more. And it's just knowing that there are people around. It's about being person-centred and using the preferred language in their care package and just knowing that the support is available if they need it.
Yn benodol, dwi'n cofio un claf gathon ni. Oedden nhw'n hollol confused. A da ni'n gofyn rhai cwestiynau i dall faint mor confused ydy cleifion. A athyn ni fewn, mae'n 10 cwestiwn mewn a pethau fatha gofyn dyddiadau rhyfel byd cyntaf, pethau fel la. A gathon ni fewn, a nath doctor gofyn y cwestiynau iddyn nhw. A gathon nhw 2 allan o 10, dwi'n meddwl, gofyn y cwestiynau Saesneg lle. Athyn ni allan ac nathon ni siarad efo'r nurses ac oedden nhw'n dweud na iaith cyntaf Cymraeg oedd y claf lle. So athyn ni nôl fewn yna, nes i siarad efo nhw, gofyn y cwestiynau, a gathon nhw 10 allan o 10. So gathon nhw bob cwestiwn yn iawn pryd oedden nhw'n siarad Cymraeg efo nhw. A dwi'n meddwl mae hynna'n dangos, nath y triniaeth wedyn, y diagnosis o be oedd yn bod efo nhw, newid yn gyfan gwbl wedyn. Doedden nhw ddim yn confused, just ddim yn das Saesneg. A dwi'n meddwl bod hynna yn un beth fatha sy'n digwydd yn aml iawn yn ysbyty, yn enwedig efo bobl hŷn sydd wedi arfer efo siarad Cymraeg drwy bywydau nhw gyd lle.
The use of Welsh language for me I've seen a massive impact in terms of improving the patient journey and the patient care. And there's been loads of occasions where I've been speaking Welsh to patients in the anaesthetic room and the doctors, so anaesthetists, consultants, the registrars have seen the difference it's made and they've then started to speak Welsh to patients themselves as well. So just simple phrases and the patients themselves, take great delight in helping teach these doctors or these nurses Welsh language skills, and it just helps build rapport between the patient and the professional. Obviously, it helps build upon Welsh skills as well, but it definitely alleviates the patient's anxieties because they're focusing on something else rather than what's actually going on.